Today I'm going to work on creating a new activity for Activity Spot with the Frolyc website. This is my main screen when I go in, and I'm actually going to click on Author Activities because that's what I'm working on first. So once I click on it, it will take me to the screen that shows me all of the activities that I've created up to this point. And I'm just going to click right here on Create New. And then I have to come up with a name for my new activity. I've already planned out what my activity will be. I'm going to make an activity about fairy shrimp. So I'll click on that and click Create. And then I'll scroll down here through my other activities and I'll click on fairy shrimp, and now I'm ready to create. Here you'll see the basic page template. I have a choice of what activities I can create, and if I hit the buttons on each side, I can go over and find more activities. I'm going to create a reading comprehension activity today, so I'm going to click on that, then go to Next, and then I have a choice of several different activities to create. And I'm going to click on Multimedia Comprehension for my first activity. Create. I'm going to begin by adding my title, and I'm going to be calling this page just Fairy Shrimp. And then my next step is to add a picture right here. And to click on it, you can upload an image from your own computer, or you can choose from things that have been previously uploaded. What I'm going to do is go over to Wikimedia Commons, and here I found a really nice little picture that I want to add. Wikimedia Commons is a great source of pictures, and they give you the usage information with each picture. And so here I see that this is a public domain photo from the U.S. Geological Survey. So I'm going to click on this, and I'm going to copy the image URL. And then once I come back over to Frolyc, then I can upload a new image, and I have lots of options here. And I choose that I'll link to it, and then I'll just paste in that URL. And here you see the picture of the fairy shrimp came right over. And I can manage my annotation and my image attribution. And I will just type in, this is a USGS photo, so that I have it properly attributed. Now is the step when I get to add my text. I'm using a Word document that I wrote a few years ago. I used to just photocopy this and hand it out to students. Now that I'm going to publish it to the iPad, they'll be able to read it in a paperless format. I can't go directly from the Word document to the Edit tool. Instead, what I have to do is save this as plain text. And I've already done that over here. And I have this in a folder on the desktop. And what happens is when you save it as plain text, it just works better with the text editor tool. So I'm going to highlight the part of the text I want to include, and then go back over and paste it in. Maybe. There we go. And then of course I can save and then close this, and my text is right there. The next thing that I'm going to do is add a YouTube clip. I like to spend some time finding my great YouTube clips, and I found a really nice one about the fairy shrimp. I previewed it and found that it was what I wanted to show. So I just highlight the YouTube link and add it over here, and I make a quick little caption. I'm just going to call this fairy shrimp video.